Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Vibing with Joy. Before we get into this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and click my post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post. Also, don't forget to share stories, group chats, mom, dad, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, friends, best friend, you know, everyone. Let's go. Okay, so as you saw in the title of this video, it's going to be a wig store list. I've got my book here. Can you see that? This is for the ladies. Actually, since it's nearly Valentine's Day, if you've got a missus, just stay here. Don't even bother getting out. Stay here. I'm providing top tier information. I took time out of my schedule to find a bunch of wig stores based in Australia, as far as I know, okay? Don't come for me, because I might butcher some of the names on this list. So first on my list today is my favorite synthetic wig store. I also buy like my comb, the sprays, the gel sometimes. What am I saying gel? The glue from this store. It's M.E.L.T AUS. M.E.L.T Australia. CALIXTA here. Tilly Collection. AZIZA Avenue. Strands Niches. Mars Beauty. Hair by ZAKI. UD Hair and Beauty. BREES HAIRPORT and GLAM. Diamond Hair Empire. CAROLEE Hair and Beauty. We have GLAM Hair Australia. TUTU Signature Hair. Essence Hair Selection. Kim or KYM Hair Extensions. K-Lux Hair. M.E.L.T Hair. It's SS Hair Boutique. Uniqueness Hair Studio. R Luxury Hair. MK Hair Stylist. Bell Artistry. The Frontal Lab. KD Baby Hair. The Australian Wig. And last but not least, Destiny Boutique. If you want more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, search. Feel free. The links, maybe I might put the links in the bio. We'll see how I feel about that. But check the links in the bio anyway. Just in case. Just in case. Bye. See you next time.
If you had a twin, I would still choose you.